Okay, YouTube. So this is part two, and this is what a bird table looks like. There go the Bosman. That's the egg right there. I call it. That's the big dragon. Anything you hit on here is money. Okay, anything you hit is money on here. Look, there go my baby right there. Look, and I 140. Look at how big she is. This is what a game room looks like. This is a game room. The machines and everything. This is the bird table though. Oh, and there go the queen.
I need Miss Johnson on so I can be on her Facebook page and put it in post.
For real.
Cause she a really like friend.
Look at this.
But she went out tonight to the strip joint.
Look at that queen. A real queen. But that bitch don't never want to die. But when she dies, she usually give good stuff though. Come on, die for my mama. It's playing right now. This thing go all the way down to. Y'all can see? This thing go all the way up to $3 and down to $5. Look at that.
Come on, Mary, baby. You got huge something.
Come on.
Raise that up to 15 cents now.
For real, cause 10 cent playing. Ticket. Come on, die. Die already. She don't want to die right now. Okay, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, share everywhere, and follow all of my social medias. And this is the bird table once again. I'm trying to wait so I can let y'all see what it looked like when the bird or the egg died or the queen died. Something big died. Die already.
Here comes Queen B, Queen B, Queen B. Queen B. Check it. Polo.
Ooh, there she go. Finally, queen. Let's see what this week shit give us. Come on. Come on. Get something big. $30, $50, $40, 40, 40, 40, 40. That's good. And that was on 10 cents, y'all. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, Kinky, get some.
Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, share everywhere, and follow all of my social medias. Until next time, y'all.